friends, today I'm gonna tell you a skincare tip which involves a very unconventional product, and that product is this measly kanda or pyaz as we call it. Onion if used topically, मुझे पता है onion खाना सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but if it is used topically over your skin, this is very beneficial for skin because onion is a powerful antiseptic. It protects your skin from acne causing bacteria. It is used for the treatment of acne and pimples. Onion also removes free radicals from the body and it reduces dark spots and contains vitamin C. Yes, onion contains vitamin C and most of us are not aware of that. The second thing that I'm gonna use in this face pack or face mask is honey. Again, as I've told you before, honey is a very strong humectant. Humectant means it helps to retain the moisture of your skin. It gives your skin it adds a glow and it is full of antioxidants. It prevents aging. It is also antibacterial. The third product that I'm using is yogurt. We all know yogurt has got lactic acid. It dissolves the dead skin and it tightens your skin. This is gram flour or as we call it as besan. हमें पता है बेसन स्किन से डेड स्किन सेल्स हटाने के लिए बहुत ही इफेक्टिव होता है, hence the besan. And last but not the least, we have the lemon juice. Lemon juice, I have told you again and again, is full of vitamin C. It is a very good source of vitamin C and hence it gives your skin, it removes all the dark spots, it removes all the blemishes and everything for your skin. Okay, now I'll tell you how you have to work for this particular mask. Okay, what you have to do is you take this onion, you cut it into half and remove the upper skin. Okay, see, I have taken out the skin of this half of the onion. Now what I need to do is I take a grater. This is a physical grater. You can also take the electronic mixer and you can blend it and then you can sieve it to take out the onion juice. I am using this physical grater to grate the onion. Okay guys, as you've seen, I've grated the onion and believe you me, tears are rolling down my eyes. It might sting your eyes a lot, but then at the end, looking at your skin, you will laugh. So what I do is, now I extract the juice of this onion using my hands. It's a very traditional kind of a method, but then it's a foolproof method because you get the freshly squeezed juice. So I have taken approximately 2 tablespoons of onion juice. It has got high quantities of sulfur in it and that really stinges in your eyes. Okay, now what I do is I take around half teaspoon of honey. The honey is going to mellow down the stinginess of the onion. After that, what I'll do is I'll take around 10 drops of lemon juice. It's a very potent mixture. ये आपकी स्किन को क्लियर करेगा बहुत अच्छे से, आपको ग्लो फील होगा अपनी स्किन में. Then you have to take approximately half teaspoon of yogurt. See, I mix the yogurt also in it. Mix it well, mix it properly. If you want, you can also add a few drops of essential oils if you can't stand the smell of this onion. Now, I'll be taking, this is the gram flour. I put around 1 teaspoon of gram flour so that the paste is like a face pack. It shouldn't be of running consistency. It should be lagayable consistency types. So here I mix it. I need to add more gram flour. So here it goes. Yeah, this is the correct consistency. This face pack, you should apply it at least twice a week in order to see the benefits. And believe you me, the benefits are like amazing. Okay, now what you need to do is, you need to dip your 3 fingers in this face pack and apply it all over your face in circular motion. Let it stand on your skin for say around 20 minutes. It will be dry in that time. And after 20 minutes, still my eyes are watering. After 20 minutes, you dip your hands in a little milk or a little yogurt to, moisten your hands. And then when it dries, you need to take it off in circular motions. And along with this face pack will come out all your dead skin cells, the pollutants, the dirt, the germs, everything. And a new and refreshed skin will come to the surface. आपको मेरा ये वीडियो कैसा लगा प्लीज मुझे बताइए. आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे वीडियो को ताकि मैं और ज्यादा पोस्ट कर सकूं. प्लीज गाइज मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ नाइस डे. फ्रेंड्स प्लीज मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा बिकॉज इफ यू विल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब देन ओनली आई विल बी एबल टू पोस्ट मोर एंड मोर वीडियोस. ओके सो कैन यू सी दैट दिस mask has dried up now. Now I dip my fingers a little in the curd and I rub it like this in circular motions to take out the dead skin cells. You need to rub it with 3 fingers. Yoo-hoo! Have a look at my hand now. It's so much more clear. Look at the difference between both the hands. This one seems so clear because the onion has cleaned this hand. Okay, bye friends.